Hey guys, it's Harley, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about the MC Olympics. So basically what that is, it's just like the real Olympics, except it's in Minecraft. So if you want to be in the MC Olympics, you're going to have to do these sports. Mini games like build battle, survival games, Sky Wars, capture the flag, etc. You could basically do any of those. And you could also do horse riding, parkour, and last but not least, archery. And also, the number one rule of the MC Olympics is you must use a clear screen recorder. What I mean by that is like you just can't get a camera and then like record your computer or something like that. I mean, you could do that, but it has to be clear. Because if it's not clear, then you will not be able to join the MC Olympics. So, how to know if you're in? Well, I will make a playlist showing all of the videos of your auditions. And by the way, the auditions don't have to be like you have to be good at parkour or stuff like that. I mean, just try your best for the MC Olympics. So if you know if you want to know if you're gonna be chosen or not, then you have to go to my playlist that will say MC Olympics. And also comment down below if you want to join the MC Olympics and tell me when the video is uploaded so I could go to your channel and so I could look at it, and then if your audition is successful, then you will be in the playlist. So basically, I will pick prizes for each and every sport that you do. Oh shoot, it's raining. Okay, so the prizes for the MC Olympics are, if you're in third place, then you will get 1 like on one video. Yeah, you will get a like. And if you are in second place, then you will get fan art. So if you get in second place, I'll actually make a video on the results. So you can see if you're placed or not. And so if you're in second place, you will get fan art. And also, if you get second place, tell me if you have Instagram or anything, and I will tell you my Instagram. And if you have really good memory, my Instagram is livdoes_cheer. So you could tag me on Instagram, or actually I'll tag you on Instagram. So and also tell me your Instagram name. And if you don't have Instagram, then I will show it to you on YouTube. And then if you're in first place, then I will subscribe and I will like one of your videos. Actually, I will like 3 of your videos. Okay, so that was basically the evaluation for the MC Olympics. So I really hope that you guys would join and try your best for the MC Olympics. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.